Okay, well, what I'm trying to do is get these hinges where you can kind of see what they're like here. You can kind of see. This one is really solid. Try and hold this thing back, but I mean I can't wobble it at all. It's just this hinge is really solid. Okay, this is the other hinge. And it has this lower hinge here, I think, maybe a hair. I can wobble it a little. Maybe you can kind of tell how much I've got mounted in that vise. So I'd say it looks to me like this lower one might be where it will wobble a little. I can't really tell anything on the video, I don't think, but I'm just trying to look at this lower. It shows that it's got a hair looseness to that bottom one. The rest of these, I think, seems pretty good. I pull it down.